Yo, what is up? So in this tutorial, we're just gonna do a little bit of an engine change. So for most of you, this tutorial won't matter if you're not using CC4, which I'd imagine most of you are not gonna be using CC4. So this is just for those of you that are using CC4. So I ran into a problem with getting my character into Unreal Engine 5.7 with the current CC4 auto setup. Seems to be bug, seems to be broken. Engine just crashes over and over. I tested it on multiple different projects and all the same thing, it just crashes. So what I've opted to do in order to be able to use CC4 is I've gone back to Unreal Engine 5.5 where it's stable, the auto setup is stable and it works fine. So for those of you that aren't using CC4, you can just stay on what you're doing. Probably don't even need to follow this video. But if you do want to follow on the exact same engine version, then yeah, just switch over to 5.5, and that's what we're going to be doing in this one. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to launch 5.5 here. Just going to open this guy up. Then we're going to go down to games, and for those of you who did follow the last part, this is what I meant with starter content. There's just a little check right here where you can add starter content. I don't know why that's not on 5.7, but yeah. So we're going to go to third person, and I'm just going to rename this project RPG Tut. And we will create. Cool. So the next thing we're going to do is, most of you probably won't have this plugin, so I'm going to turn this plugin off, and we'll just restart the project here. Megascans, not even a thing anymore. I don't know why or how I have that plugin in, but whatever. Alright, so next thing we're going to do, if you are using CC4 and you made the material, this is going to be kind of a pain in the ass because the material will not migrate down to the to an older version. So sadly, you'll have to remake that material, but I'd imagine that's not going to be an issue for most of you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to migrate my material over from where I already did it all in this project over here. So go down to third person, materials right here, and I'm just going to migrate this whole folder over to the current RPG Tut content, and there we go. Apply to all. You don't want to override anything here. So cool. So that's migrated over, and we now have our material that we made in the last part. So yeah. So I'm just gonna update this map, and then that'll be the end of this video. Short, quick, and easy one, just for those of you using CC4. And if for those of you that are using CC4 in the future who aren't watching this video in current time, the auto setup might work fine, but currently it's broken. So that's why I'm doing this, because it works fine in 5.5. Alright, cool. And just another little side note on this material here. So in the last part, I left the albedo at completely full, like full and white. I tend to not do that, so the way to think about like the albedo value here, this guy, is think about it of how much light does this surface absorb. And if it's all, the value is all the way at 1, that means it's not absorbing any light. It's just, you know, just fully blasted. I tend to pull this value down a bit. That way it absorbs light, looks a little more natural. And yeah, so that's all we're gonna do for this one. Like I said, quick and easy one. Probably doesn't even apply to most of you, but I wanted to be sure to show it on screen so everyone sees what is going on. But yep, we'll call it here for this one. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you're new around here, definitely subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know those down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.